Case 8 menu 1 through 12. Menu number 5, Chicken Chunks White cooked. Sounds delicious. Okay, gentlemen, what we have here today, boys and girls, is your menu number 5 from Case 1. This is a 2018 MRE. This is Chicken Chunks White cooked. As you can see right there. Where you can, it says peelable seal. I have yet to ever be able to peel one open. It's sealed pretty good. So what I normally do, we got the Kershaw with us today. I normally just slice it open. Okay, what you have an outer bag. It's very well sealed and it blocks light. I think that's the biggest importance for it. It keeps bugs out, blocks light, because once you go into an MRE, you're going to have your individual contents, which are also sealed. There's nothing else in the bag. So that, again, they're sealed in another clear bag. So let's see what we get in this MRE. I just grabbed one randomly out of the box. Chicken Chunks White didn't sound very appetizing, so let's see what we get. Oh, we got, first off, we have our entree. It is chicken chunks. And the 58th day of 2018, as you can see there where it says 8058, that is the 8th year 2018 and the 58th day of the year. So sometime in February of 2018 this MRE was made. Let's see what we have. We have our little accessory pack, which is normally standard: chewing gum, a powdered drink mix, some salt, a wet nap, and some toilet paper, which may come in handy. We have trail mix recovery. Just some kind of trail mix. Ooh. We have apple cinnamon flavor First Strike energy bars. Those are pretty good, actually. Peanut M&Ms. Cheese spread. It's not jalapeno, but it'll do. We have orange beverage powder. And we have tortillas, plain tortillas. So I guess we can make a chicken tortilla. Ooh, what we don't have, we have buffalo style hot sauce. So we can have buffalo chicken tortillas. And the nutrition card. So, 1 pouch, 150 calories, 1 gram of carbs. This is actually so we're on the keto diet. I am anyway, but this would be keto. Leave out everything else. What we didn't get is a MRE heater. So I told you guys we might eat these MREs cold like we would in the field. I guess with this one we are eating cold in the field. So there's not really much of a meal option here. I guess we're having buffalo chicken tortillas with cheese spread. There's no crackers. There's not a lot of variety in this one. But we'll make do. I'm really surprised that we didn't get a heater with this one. I had every intention of actually it's like 65 degrees today, maybe 60. I really had every intention of using the heater, but luck of the draw, I just grabbed one out of the box and this is the one we got. No heater. So let's start here. So if I was out in the field, which these are mainly for, you're out hiking, you're out hunting, day trip, whatever it is, on the go, I would probably save the meal bar once I open this. Save the meal bar, or I'd eat it now. Save the entree for later, just depending. So I wouldn't do the meal bar and the entree at the same time. I would split them up. Normally the MREs you can have 2 or 3 snacks and a meal. The peanut M&Ms, if you were going to eat them, I would save them for later. So we have the orange beverage powder. Pour 12 ounces of water in this pouch, which is half a canteen cup, which isn't much. 12-ounce soda, think about that, 12-ounce can. Fold over top of the pouch, shake firmly for 30 seconds. So if you look on MREs, the American, there's usually a little tear, a little slit. That's where you want to tear it. They hardly ever tear straight across. If you look on the other side, there'll be a tear slot. So you tear the 2 sides, you got your beverage. It's an orange powder. Doesn't really smell like Tang. Just has a chemical orange smell to it. So we're going to pour about 12 ounces of water into our beverage. Just guesstimating there, that's probably 8 or 9, 12 ounces. Hope everybody brought fresh water with them. Okay. Fold the top over probably a couple of times. If you fold it over and there's no air, it's really hard to shake, believe it or not. You really need some air in there so you can get some motion. don't want to get this orange drink on. There we go. 30 seconds it says. Okay, so we got orange drink. Yeah, looks like orange Kool-Aid. Really chemically tasting, has a chemical taste to it. Hopefully it has plenty of vitamin C, which keeps you healthy. Let's see. Super carbohydrated, 22 grams of carbohydrates. Our vitamin C, no vitamin C, no vitamin A. So just a bunch of sugar is what we're getting here. We're getting 80 calories, we're just getting a bunch of carbs. Potassium, 55 milligrams. It's all sugar. Okay. Peanut M&Ms. Best before November the 1st, 2019. So, of course, the expiration date on them is going to be way before an MRE, but as we know, the best before date normally doesn't mean that they're bad. They need to move product. They have to put a date on it. They want you to throw them away. They want to sell more. So usually on the peanut M&Ms, due to packaging handling, they're usually cracked. They're fresh. I've had stale peanut M&Ms. These are not stale. They're fresh. Once again, we're getting a bunch of sugar, so they're still good. Today is April the 1st, 2020. So they're out of date by 3 or 4 months, but they're still good. Be good for a long time. First Strike, I really like these First Strike bars. Of course, they're loaded with carbohydrates. 47 grams of carbohydrates. So if you're watching your carbs like I am, I'm on the keto diet. Big no-no, but we'll take a bite just for you guys. $270 calories. This is almost a meal in itself. If you've ever seen these, they don't look like much. They're really thin. They're not gooey, they're not sticky, but there's whatever that is. Caramel or whatever. They're malleable, you can bend them. They're hard. This is our apple cinnamon. They've got good flavor. I really like these bars. If I was prepping or stocking food or something like that, I'd really want to get a bunch of these. I'm sure they keep for a long time. There's no date. I don't even know if you can buy them separate because it's 8058, which means 2018, the 58th day. That was the day it was stamped. So that's the only date you see on it. But they are delicious. Okay, our trail mix recovery. Once again, lots of fat, 17 grams, some nuts in there, 31 grams of carbs. We're getting a lot of carbohydrates, a lot of sugar, I'm guessing. 10 grams of protein, so we're getting a little protein. Once again, no vitamin C. Got some wheat flour or something like that. Oh, I guess there's like, let's see if there's a tear spot. Normally there's a tear spot. I don't see a tear spot on these. But that's why we carry knives. That's why we carry knives, guys and girls. So we'll cut this open. Let's see what we get. So we get, I guess they're pretzel balls. Still crunchy, still good. Has a slight, like, toasted flavor or almost burnt. It's still good. Do not eat the desiccant package. It says it on there, do not eat. So we got the pretzels. There's an almond. Still fresh. Lots of pretzel balls. Lots of pretzel balls in there. Feed squirrels. Peanuts. Peanuts are still fresh. So it's almonds, peanuts, and pretzel balls. Almonds. Oh, cashews. Let's see what else we got. So there's like literally 4 cashews. Still fresh. And that's it. So, yeah, just peanuts, almonds, cashews, pretzel balls. Okay. Squirrels enjoy that. Deer probably. So what's left? So our entree. Sometimes the tear slots long ways. Sometimes it's up and down. There's normally 1 or 2, so you can start up high, and as you eat down, this one's pretty close. So there's a tear tab there and a tear tab there. So as you eat down, you can tear it again to make it like a little bowl. So that's why I'm saying there's no need to have a tray and squeeze it out, except for you guys to see. But I'm not doing it like that. I'm showing you how we would eat it in the field. So here we are in the middle of nowhere. No hot water, no electricity. We got a canteen of water. So we tear that. Once again, they normally never tear across. So you usually got to go by both sides. So there's our chicken. If you've ever ate canned chicken, that's exactly what it tastes like. So it's a fairly dry chicken. It's not really soupy. It's not like you open a can of tuna. There's a little bit of moisture. So what I would do is use the ingredients we got. We're going to use our buffalo style hot sauce, right? By the way, the date on this, once again, 8058. So everything's made the same day, or stamped, packaged. Let's see if we can tear a corner here. And remember, whatever you do, guys, we're pack it in, pack it out. So be sure to clean up all your mess. So yeah, it's got a buffalo. It's a buffalo hot sauce for sure. I don't think it's Texas Pete anymore. I'm not sure what it is. No date to be seen on this. Thermopack, Stone Mountain, Georgia is where it was packaged at. So we're just going to pour that into our chicken. 1.5 ounces is what's contained there. Let that soak in. We're going to take our straw. We're going to take our spoon that we received there. The famous MRE spoon. You'll get this spoon in every MRE with a super long handle so you can reach down into the packages. mix that up a little bit. And what we have left over is Buffalo Chicken Chunks White. As you can see, it looks delicious. No, it doesn't. It's a really soft chicken. Not a lot of texture. It's almost like tuna. Really, it could. If you didn't tell me it was chicken, I would think it was probably tuna. The sauce has a medium heat to it. It's probably a little hotter than Frank's Red Hot sauce. It's good. So we got our chicken and buffalo sauce. We've got our tortillas plain. 37 grams of carbs. So we are carb loading today. If we ate all this, we're well over 100 grams of carbs. Once again, don't eat that. So we would take our tortilla. Looks like my camera's battery's gonna run out too. I didn't charge it. And we'd probably put some chicken on there, a little bit of cheese. Be delicious. The tortillas are tortillas. That's what they always look like. Really no flavor like any other tortilla you get. Nothing special about it. Last but not least, our cheese. I normally like to knead it up. Get it again, because it's really kind of hard when you first get it. Get a good consistency. This was made at Welcome Dairy Incorporated, Colby, Wisconsin. It's always really, it's almost like silly putty. So you take your cheese and your tortilla, a little bit of chicken with our buffalo sauce, it's okay. Lastly, the accessory packet. Our drink mix is the base raspberry type 3 drink. Toilet paper, which is a hot commodity right now, in case you are following the news or aren't following the news. When I'm filming this, we're in the middle of the pandemic. Some salt. I don't think you would need it because everything is pretty salty. Towelette, wet wipe to clean up with. And the chewing gum, which is, I guess that's winter spearmint. The red, if it's in the red tinted packaging, it's cinnamon chewing gum, like Big Red. But that, chew it 20 minutes, it's like it disintegrates in your mouth, so it's not very good quality chewing gum. And that's all you get in this accessory packet, which was, but it was, I don't know if you can see it, 8052. So it was made 4 days before the MRE was made. So that's how quick these things go together. And that's it for the 2018 Chicken Chunks White MRE out of case 1. Now, if you don't know much about MREs, there's 2 cases. There's 24 individual meals. You got case 1, case 2, 1 through 12 is in case 1, 13 through 24 is in case 2. You can go online and look to see what each one is. And I plan on doing every one. We'll just film me eating each individual MRE. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, subscribe, because I enjoy these MRE videos. I like watching other people's MRE videos. Something about watching somebody explain to me what the taste is, the texture of a military field ration. It's meal ready to eat. I enjoy it a whole lot. Till next time, guys, keep your distance out there. Stay safe. See you again real soon. You guys still here? Get out of here, man. Let me finish my MRE. Seriously. I'm trying to finish my chicken for the battery dies. Go on, beat it. Skedaddle.